Pag-uusapan natin ang tungkol sa limits ng isang function. Sana matuto kayo.
Nang maigi ang pagkuha ng limit ng isang function, alamin natin ang definition ng limit. Limit is something that bounds, restrains, or confines. Yung limit, yun yung hangganan ng isang bagay. Function. The limit of a function is a real number L that f of x approaches as x approaches a given real number A, written as limit of f of x where x approaches to k is equal to n.
Ang way ng pagkuha natin ng limit of function x is through table of values. So, meron tayong right at saka meron tayong left na table of values. Where is ito yung right natin, ito yung left natin. Sabi dito, limit of x plus 3 where x approaches to 4. So, yung x natin mag-a-approach sa 4. So, mula sa right mag-a-approach siya sa 4, mula sa left mag-a-approach siya sa 4. So, ano ba yung nasa kanan ng 4 natin? So, yung nasa kanan nun is yung 3. Tapos yung nasa kaliwa naman nun is yung 5. So, yan. Ito yung mga value natin na simula sa 3 na papunta sa 4. Yun yung 3, 3.2, 3.4, 3.6, so on and so forth. Kaya, tapos, ang gagawin lang natin is substitute natin siya dito sa function natin. So, limit of 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. Limit of 3.2 plus 3 equals 6.2. Hanggang sa dito sa dulo, sa 3.8. Kaliwa natin is yung 5. Pababa naman siya kasi papunta siya sa 4. So, 5, 4.8. Ganon din yung gagawin natin sa substitute natin. So, ito yung magiging sagot. Ang gagawin lang natin dyan, kukuhanin natin yung pinakadulong value. Yun yung 6.8 saka 7.2. 6.8, pag inestimate natin siya, is equals to 7. Yung 7.2 naman, pag inestimate natin siya, is equals to 7. Kaya ang magiging final answer natin is 7. So, therefore, the limit of x plus 3 where x approaches to 4 is equals to 7.
Constant theorem. Limit of a constant where x is approaches to k is equals to constant. Kunwari, kung ano yung constant mo, ay kung ano yung given value, yun din yung magiging sagot. Tapos yung examples ng constant is fraction, decimal, pi, tsaka whole number. Limit of a function of x. Limit of x where x approaches to k is equals to k. Example, yung k mo is 3. Yung magiging sagot mo is 3 pa rin kasi k is equals to k.
Limit of sum and difference of function. Definition, limit of f of x plus minus g of x where x approaches to k is equals to limit of f of x where x approaches to k plus minus limit of g of x where x approaches to k. So, example, limit of x plus 5 where x approaches to 2. So, lahat ng x natin, papalitan natin ng limit of x where x approaches to 2. Kaya magiging limit of x where x approaches to 2 plus 5. Ito is yung k natin, like what we said in limit of function x. Yung k natin, yun yung magiging sagot. Limit of x where x approaches to 2 is equals to 2. Kaya 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. Limit of product of function is defined as limit of f of x times g of x where x approaches to k is equals to limit of f of x where x approaches to k times limit of g of x where x approaches to k. So, example neto is limit of x plus 1 minus 7. So, gagawin natin, lahat ng x natin, papalitan natin ng limit of x where x approaches to 4. Kaya magiging limit of x where x approaches to 4 plus 1 times minus 7. So, magiging 4 plus 1 times 7. 4 plus 1 is equals to 5 times 7 is equals to 35.
Limit of quotient of function. Limit of f of x over g of x where x approaches to k equals limit of f.
Limit of power of functions. Limit of f of x where x approaches to k sub n is equal to limit f of x where x approaches to k. Example, x to the fourth power where x approaches to 2. Lahat ng x, papalitan mo ng limit of x where x approaches to 2. Kaya magiging limit of x where x approaches to 2 to the fourth power is equal of 2 to the fourth power is equal to 16.
Limit of root of functions were defined as limit of n square root of f of x where x approaches to k is equal to square root of limit of f of x where x approaches to k, provided that the limit of f of x is greater than 0 when n is even. Example, limit of square root of x where x approaches to k. Lahat ng x papalitan ng limit of x where x approaches to 4, kaya magiging square root of 4, kaya square root of 4 is equal to 2. So, 2 yung magiging sagot.